We begin with North region winners first. The second runner-up of North region category is Distinct Horizon, which is received by Mr. Ayush Nigam. Many congratulations, Mr. Ayush, for securing the second runner-up position in North region.
Thank you so much. It's a privilege to receive this award, especially from such prominent organizations like Manage and Samunnat. Thank you so much, and especially would like to thank our team because they have put in a lot of constant efforts to do this.
Thank you. Thank you, Ayush. Yeah. Next, we have the first runner-up from this category, which is Daybest Research Private Limited, which is received by Mr. Devesh Jha. Many congratulations, Mr. Devesh, for securing the first runner-up position for the category.
Thank you, everyone. I am being very honored on behalf of Daybest Research Private Limited. Thank you for considering this. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. The winner of North region category is BioTrend India Private Limited, which is received by Mr. Indranil Das. We congratulate you, Mr. Indranil, for securing the first position in North region category. Congratulations to all the winners in North region category. Let's just hear what these startups have to say about the awards.
Hi everyone, I am Ayush, co-founder and CEO of Distinct Horizon. At Distinct Horizon, we want to create the second sustainable green revolution. We want to become the leaders in plant and soil nutrition and hence create this sustainable revolution. We are currently focusing on powered fertilizer deep placement applicators machines. These machines apply fertilizer much more scientifically at the root zone of the crop. These are unique technologies, have been internationally patented by us. We are already able to double the profits of farmers and do that extremely sustainably. Our machines are certified by the government. We have been working with prominent partners like the world's best design company IDEO, Tata Trust, Gates Foundation, Syngenta Foundation are helping us scale this technology already. Our machines can work on almost all crops, sugarcane, paddy, maize, wheat, vegetables, etc. They are also multifunctional. They can do several operations in one go, including fertilization, tilling, weeding, earthing up, seeding, etc. The results are very visual, and that is why farmers are getting really excited. The profit increase is of the order of 20,000 rupees per hectare per season for a paddy farmer, and for a sugarcane farmer there is increase of profit of 50,000 rupees per hectare per season. This is apart from other benefits like climate change mitigation, water pollution reduction, and significant improvement in soil health as well. Machines have been widely accepted, adopted. We have been working across 6 states of India, and that's where we are so confident on our results as well. Finally, we are trying to combine these big things, having massively scalable products, hardware, combined with data and AI integration, and also combining it with innovative nutrient combinations to really transform agriculture in the developing world. Thank you so much. We are really excited to win this award. Thank you, Manage and Samunnati, for giving us this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Anmol Kumar Singh, co-founder Daybest Research Private Limited, based in Bihar. Devesh and myself founded Daybest Research Private Limited in July 2017 with the vision to uplift the social status of the farmers. We are provider of drone-based farming solutions by developing state-of-art spraying, mapping and monitoring UAVs. We have built an app and portal that uses IoT, machine learning, blockchain technologies, and offers real-time crop monitoring, soil health analysis, yield estimation, crop health status, and irrigation status solution. The AI platform uses image analysis, sensor analysis, and spectral analysis solutions for early stage disease detection. Till now, we impacted around 15K farmers in past 2 years. I would like to thank especially to Samunnati for supporting us and Manage Samunnati for giving us this honor to present ourselves here. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Indranil Das. I am the co-founder and CEO of Biotrends India Private Limited. Biotrend was founded in Delhi in 2019 December, and since then we have been working trying to expand our operations in various countries, various states in India. Biotrend is a biological based agricultural company. We are focused on soil microbiome. We are working on the probiotic microbes which exist in the soil and trying to create an environment of sustainable intensification of agriculture. As you might know that we have another maybe 55 years of harvest left due to rapid degeneration of the soil. 2/3 of our soil will be marginalized in 2050 with about 10 billion people to be fed with lower land availability or arable land and more food requirement. We need something drastic. So Biotrend has embarked upon a journey of creating sustainability and intensification of agriculture in India. So we have a huge plan. We are working on the microbiome products. We are working on precision agriculture. And Samunnati for nominating us or selecting us, because this means a huge motivation for us. The startups in India needs a lot of hand holding and motivation by institution like Manage and Samunnati, and I thank them wholeheartedly for their support. But before I end, I should also thank for the hard work of my team, the Biotrends team, who are working relentlessly despite of this trying conditions prevailing in the country. Thank you, Manage. Thank you, Samunnati, for awarding this to Biotrend India. Thank you.
Those were the North region winners.